You want the highest one going?
This means you turn it.
I think I am going to make supper tonight. What would you care for?
I want some breakfast for supper, please.
Mon fils, sur toi pas. Chut. Maman, qu'est-ce que tu veux? Calice de barbare, sans liège. Et voilà ma beauté fatale, avec les beaux yeux rouge vin.
Thank you.
Don't make it pretend, you all heard it. Corroborating evidence and a proper alibi. I don't give a fuck about putting the proper tinsel on the tree. I just assume load up a blunderbuss and give her what for. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about the missus now, a gentleman and his wife. Anyway, that's more what happens when I have one too many tequilas. So, we're gonna flash up the old planchette. Now that thing, she's a skookum choocher. 100 and some odd pounds of her gets hot. Not in her. Oh, I gotta speak like a human now on account of my dear, sweet, darling daughter. Oui, qu'est-ce que tu veux, ma jolie? Star Wars. Papa's favorite. Well, it was. Until Disney killed it.
Why?
Well, money.
Let's go upstairs and you can hang it.
You both had rattles.
Yeah, but that one has a moon on it.
Let me tell you, boys, this is an old bull's trick. When you're staring down a couple of pink ticket jobs, what you don't want to do. You pick the least horrendous. In this case, cooking supper. Hold on to your hats. I'm going to hip you to the fact that I'm in Canada. It's freaking cold in here, Mr. Bigglesworth. Got on some of you. See, don't buy a sweat. We're going to heat this up. We're going to cook breakfast. I'm going to show you. I got her down right to a proper science. Oh, it is about a quarter past my ass. We'll see how long it takes to chooch. And 3, 2, 1. Chevy Chase eyebrow routine. You don't want to hit the thing till you can smell it. Because there ain't nothing funnier than a grown-ass man with no eyebrows. Baby doll, you long-suffering sweet bride. You really ought to get yourself a proper husband. These knives are duller than my jokes. What's the better 3/4 is distracted with wine. We're tucking into the iron rations. 2 for 2. Cork. Stiff. On est presque fini la mise en place. Bière. Oignon. As a self-identified woman of color, I say this with all due deference. And Jemima, she's my kind of people. I got these iron rations, stimulated potatoes, got some Alcan, condensed electricity in roll form. Got some of these paper plates. Got a bunch more dead tree carcass. Got some rapeseed oil, canola oil rather. Oh, yeah, no. As a man of a certain age, that ain't helping me. Pardon me?
Do you have any nuts so I can crack them with my with the nutcracker?
Oh, starts early. You're a tough lady.
See? Nutcracker.
Did you learn that from your mama? A couple minutes in, but I got to do a preemptive strike on the bacon. Not to worry, boys. Dihydrogen monoxide, I'm an expert. Only thing it's good for is to rust your pipes. What about that? What about that? What about that? Ta-da! Necessary accoutrement. A proper, no name brand on her, but just a proper scraper. Stout, And then the spatula, but the spatula with a twist. It has to sit flat. It has to be weighed proper so that it sits on the planche. Isa buys a builds a boat, and Isa buys it sails her. Isa buys a catches a fish and brings him home to Lizer. Now she done did take but 3 quarters of a beer to get hotted up, and she's about, dead battery. Wanna come outside? Alright, come on out. You can lick the bacon drippings. Okay, let's go. No messing around. We're not heating the outdoors. We get the onions and we grill them up in the bacon fat. We don't waste that beautiful bacon fat. We get them all browned up and then we put in the potatoes. Oh, buddy. The sizzling fine flesh. The proper, look at them, Funyuns. You can't have fun without Funyuns. a couple half dozen beer of these. She's gonna be a proper turlet buster tomorrow. 40 and 60-20s ago, I told you that cooking's all about timing. Well, here's the thing: you can forestall the inevitable by pulling out early and giving her a lick. That's what we're doing. We're pulling these guys out early. We're gonna continue to chooch on these. La Blanche, she is how you say, ready. Oh. Release my penis. Pathology, anus, fellatio. Oh, that's looking good. The Royal Chinette. Now, some see you next Tuesday that comes over, hung over for big breakfast, is going to complain that you're ruining Mother Earth Day. To which you reply, ain't nobody stopping you from doing the fucking dishes. Now, here's the secret to pancakes. Good and hot. And oil. Don't be shy with the oil. You don't need any Teflon pans, nothing like that. Just a well-seasoned planchette. Now, for God's sakes, be quick about it. 1, 5. How do you know when they're ready to flip? You just know. No, the bubbles stop. These are actually a little overcooked, but you know. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful pancakes. Nothing worse than building up the expectations and mowing down an old cold pancake. Well, we put them aside. They're looking pretty good. Let's flip that. See? Not bad. A little bit overdone on the first side, but that's okay. Now we got ourselves a bit of a dilemma. And here's the beauty of this. Inch thick planchette. She might not be the prettiest one, but she's definitely the girthiest. Not even close to finish this new beer. Not to worry, boys. We just turn it off, and it keeps the heat. We can be out in the cold avoiding decorating duty. Oh,
Papa, come see the tree. Come see the Christmas tree.
Where's my fork and knife?
you heard it here first, folks. My wife is looking for a good forking. Woot, woot. Buddy, do you have a problem with bacon? Me too. One is too many and a million ain't enough. Can I get a high five? Atta boy.